Hello guys, welcome back to another Minecraft video. You are wondering where I am now and why my AI axis. There we go guys. Where I am under this staircase because I'm planning and making this awesome looking house. See? So let's gonna first go with the doors and first spectate mission, and the end is bodyguards. Mission, maybe 200 seconds. 0.5 is the strong.
Baligo ang pagpapark natin.
Wow!
So, ang tuguro ko sa akin ng aking boss na si Trish Marco ay pag-leather ay ang kailangan po patayin ko siya.
Oh, so guys, we can create them redstone down. So we can. I forgot. Why? So show you this is the look of the house, of course.
Okay po, natapos na po ang isa. Ngayon po, ito po.
First is gonna go to the lighting. I have something to do with lighting. I know. So look up the lighting, guys. The lighting is done. I just put glowstones under the leaves, and I just decided to add glowstone here, right next to the swimming pool, and on the second floor. And I don't know what to add, but the balcony, I had lights there, so it looks beautiful on the inside. Let's just pull up the sides of lights, you see. So let me go first, or second. Well, of course, interior. Yeah, interior. So, see guys, to the interior. So guys, I first built this bedroom. Here goes the lights. The sleeping, then on the lights. Look. I'm just gonna repeat to the other side. That's our first master bedroom. This our bathroom. So this is our bathroom. Guys, I'm thinking of something. If tomorrow, no. On next Saturday, I'll show you how to make this house. Really, I'm not lying, okay? But if we, I'll go to the mall and enjoy play some games. Well, I'm sorry, but it's pretty easy to make. So guys, thank you for watching. I will continue this video. Just joking. Thank you for watching and subscribe, guys. Thumbs up of what house I've done. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.